Hey guys, make sure you stick around to the end of the video to learn how you can test and keep the new Mountaineer X for yourself. Hey guys, welcome to BowHunterPlanet's Test Lab. It's me, Dave Thomas, along with Jamie Noteboom, and on today's show we got the brand new 2019 Xpedition Archery bows. So Jamie, here we are, 2019 with Xpedition. Yep. They just came in, they're hot, they're just launching. We got the Mako X, which is gonna be their hugely fast speed bow. So what they're claiming is you're gonna have a really smooth rotation with this bow, but tons of speed with a very small brace height. And then they have the Mountaineer X, so a couple different models. I think they actually have more than that this year too as well.
There's an Excursion 6 HD and Excursion 7 HD.
Perfect. All right, Noteboom, take us through the specs real quick. Let's start with the Mountaineer X, and then we'll do the Mako X.
Okay, on the Mountaineer X, we have a IBO rating of 340 feet per second, 3.9 pounds. You don't see a lot of bows under 4 pounds anymore.
Super light.
Axle to axle, 33.25. Brace height, 7 inches. Draw weights, 40, 50, 60, 65, and 70. Draw lengths from 26.5 to 30.5. And let off of 80%.
Nice. Looks like they got a lot of adjustability on the cam as well. I can see there. More people, I should say. It's featured here in the Realtree Edge. Looking awesome this year. So exciting to see that pattern on more bows. They got their suppression built into it here. Something we've actually seen before, very similar to their other models with the suppression. This one's got a new type of suppression I actually have not seen till now. But let's go ahead and let's do the Mako X here. Let's get stats of this one.
Okay. So the Mako X is 364 feet per second.
Smoking fast.
Also under 4 pounds at 3.9.
Wow.
Brace height of 5 inches, draw weights 40, 50, 60, 65, and 70. Draw lengths 24.5 to 30.
Wow.
So that's a big...
what was that brace height again?
Brace height is 5 inches.
5 inches, so super. So what they're claiming on this bow again is having a small brace height, but it's gonna be a super smooth shooting bow. So that's what we're gonna test out here in a minute. Yeah. One of the cool things about this bow I noticed right off the bat is the machining. I think it looks excellent. You can see how aggressive machining they have right in this area here. Just a ton taken out. I think that's why we got to that weight you were talking about, how they're able to get it so light. I think that's one of the X's are sweet for Xpedition. I love that. I love that they actually put those right in there. It looks awesome. Very exciting for them. This is going to be a great year for Xpedition, guarantee it. Now, Xpedition's always been a premium bow, premium company creating awesome bows, very, very high-end bows. The grip on this bow is amazing. I love the grip. I love their grips. I've always had. They have the wood inlay. It's got some nice feel to it, some texture. It looks great.
MSRP on the Mako X is $10.99.
$10.99, all right. Mountaineer, you got that one on there? Yes. So that's about normal price point here at MSRP. Of the bows we've been seeing this year have been about $10.99, I would say, majority of them. A couple a little bit more, and a couple a little bit less, but for the most.
The Mountaineer X is $8.49.
Perfect, that's what I was thinking. So that was my point. So if you want some of the same great technology, the Realtree Edge, you can get all that great stuff still in this bow and have adjustability, and you're saving a little bit of money. So if you can't afford the top echelon bow, that's no problem. You still have some variety with Xpedition, which is really cool that they're able to do that and give people that option.
For sure.
So what's your overall thoughts real quick, I guess?
I mean, just the look, I love the look of this one. It's kind of, I don't want to say old school, but it's, you know, the kind of the standard thing, right? I'm sure it's going to shoot nice.
It does, and now you say that, it does have a different look to it. Now you're saying that, I see what you're saying. I didn't notice that at first, but you're right. It's got more of that, let's do this look.
I think I'm more in the crazy stuff.
This one, yeah, this one is sweet. So I'm excited to shoot them, get a feel for them, and then let you guys see how they look. All right, guys, just got on shooting the new Xpedition bows 2019. Amazing. I was really impressed with the Mako X. Very smooth draw cycle. Coming over, there was no hump as they stated, and it felt so nice. Thing is shooting darts, man. Yeah. I mean, it is so flat and everything. We're grouping. I mean, just out of the box, no sight, we're shooting the bow, and it's just unbelievable to me how great these bows shoot. I actually like them both. I was pretty happy with both of them.
I really like this Mountaineer X, man. It's hauling, and it wants to go. Well, it's every bit of 340, I'm telling you.
Well, I think the whole concept behind this Mountaineer X was that you're getting the same premium engineering technology behind an Xpedition bow and this bow at a lower cost. Whereas the Mako X is going to be your prime time. You know, I want the best of the best. This is what I want. This is the bow. You know, this thing was wow, just incredible. Very quiet bow, very shootable bow.
Just felt very smooth, no humps.
Well, again, for the small brace height of this bow, it was incredible. The power was coming out of it, you know, and just watching this thing fire, it's got a lot of power to it, guys. This is just a great shooting bow. Very good looking bow, very sleek.
I've always been a fan of the wood inlay handles.
Oh, beautiful. Looks so great in there and it feels so nice. And theirs is cool because it's got like some ergonomic to it. As you look at it and feel it, it's got like bumps in it, ridges. So your hand fits in here really nicely. So, Xpedition's got 5 new models, and it's great to have those options when you're out there trying to pick a bow. From the Perfection all the way to this, there's just a huge lineup if you're doing target or hunting. So a lot of great options from Xpedition on the colors, gives you a lot of variety to choose from when you go to the store to pick yours out and shoot it yourself. Definitely do that. Now for the fun part of this, Xpedition said we could give one of these bows away. So we're giving away the Mountaineer. It's your chance to have this bow. The biggest #1 thing you guys have to do is subscribe. You have to be a subscriber on our YouTube page to be even entered to win. Then we would like you to comment below on what you think of these bows and your thoughts on it. Share it with a friend. Share it on any platform. It's fine. You guys pick your platform, sign it to a friend. It's okay. You know, we just want to spread the videos, get people seeing them and all that. But the most important part is to subscribe and check it out. Check out our podcast when you get a second. It's a lot of fun and we have a lot of great moments on there. And yeah, so thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.